here, here. Let's go to this terminal. First of all, we use add the IP address here. Like this, yes, for because in browser and here for and here 5 and this and add the IP address in all the PC and then we go to the VLAN configuration VLAN we switch enter to the CLI kemudian konfigurasi terminal and then make the VLAN and add the name is engineering and add the VLAN. Before that you must exit VLAN and add the name called VLAN 20 and exit again. Then you can configure VLAN 10 information interface range interface range yes, and then switch for the upstairs and switch for and exit and interface switch for open and switch for source line and interface mode source and change for and then you can test the ping from here and Z yes F on zero plus one and F on and then if you see those configuration we show VLAN VGA and then this and then you can think in over 7 successful and you can think in over 2 successful and now we will make the try and then we must make the configuration trunk with interface active interface that you can see here is 0/5 and enter switch for switch port model trunk and this if you want to see the configuration of the trunk is like the command is this do show do show do show upload and this but I use again here you can if you want to see the configuration do this for interface tracking status is tracking and encapsulation and mode on with the film of time is here and you can configure here configuration terminal enter and then we let's go to the configuration process height enter switch port for the tab and the and PC show interface tab then the RAM is on and then you can test the ping from here to here or from here to there and you can do and it's successful and you can ping again from here and you can ping for test the implementation successful and this all for me. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.